Hey guys, it's the How To Guy 123 here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make end cards for your videos. Since I'm returning to YouTube, I need a new end card for my videos, so I decided to make one and show you guys how I did it. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I hope you guys like my new intro. I created it in like 10 minutes. I'm not sure if I like it. Tell me what you think of it. I might tweak it a little bit. I might just scrap it all together. I'll have to see. So to start off with our end card, I kind of have an idea of what I want for my end card. I'm just gonna make it kind of simple, nothing too complicated. So to start off, we're just going to right click and insert a new video track. Then we're gonna go to media generators. We're just going to create a background here. Now you can do whatever you want for your background. Be creative with your end card. I'm just going to go to where is it? Color gradient in the media generators. I'm going to drag in a linear white to black, and for your background, let's say you do GTA 5 videos or Minecraft videos. Maybe you want a GTA 5 background or a Minecraft background. It doesn't even need to be a picture. It can be a video. If you want, you can even do what I did with my intro. I had a starburst there, a rotating starburst as the background. If you want to do that, you can also do that. I thought that looked kind of cool. But for my background here, for the first color on the gradient, I'm going to make it an orange. Okay, that's good. And for the second color, I'm going to make it kind of a reddish orange. That's not bad. There we go. I might move these over a little bit. How's that look? Alright, that doesn't look too bad. I might tweak it later on. I'm just going to make this 12 seconds. Alright, that seems good. I think 12 seconds is a good time for an end card. You don't want to make it too long and you don't want to make it too short. So next, once we have our background, we're going to right click on this timeline here and create a new video track. And now we're going to go to media generators and solid color, and you can choose whatever color you'd like. This isn't going to be in our end card, and we're just going to use this for a reference to where we're going to put our videos. So I'm just going to choose black. Really doesn't matter what color. You can exit out of this and then just make it the same time as our background and go into track motion on the side here, and then we're just going to scale this down. So this is where our video is going to be. You can have as many videos as you want on your end cards. I'm going to do 3 videos. You can do 2, you can even do 1. It really doesn't matter. Do as many as you want. Like I said, be creative with your end card. So I'm going to make this one kind of small. Then in the middle I'm going to have a bigger video, and then I'm going to have a smaller video here. This one here is going to be 2 videos. It's going to say 2 videos ago. Then the one in the middle is going to say previous video. Then I'm going to have one that says next video. So I'm just going to make this one not too small. That might be too small. Maybe scale that a bit. Move it over. We'll probably have to tweak it a little later on. Alright, we can exit out of that and to create another new video track, another black solid, and this will be our second video, and we can scale that down. We're gonna make it, like I said, we're gonna make this one a little bit bigger than the other one. I might actually make this one a little smaller. Yeah. Don't know, that's too small. I think just a tad bit bigger should be fine. Come on. Just a little bit. Maybe a bit. Doesn't matter too much. Okay, I think that's good. And this one needs to be a bit smaller. We need enough room to put the third one there, so I guess I might have to scale this one a bit, make this one a bit smaller. Alright, and I guess I'll have to scale this one down too. Yes, should be good. Alright, so now for the third box, I'm just going to see if I can maybe duplicate this track here. I'm just gonna drag it to the top here, just so I know. Actually, what we should do is we should label what is what. So since the third track here is going to be our previous video, I'm just gonna label it on the side here. You just have to double click on this empty box here, and you can label your track. So I'm just gonna call this one previous video. Video. Then actually no, this one's gonna be 2 videos ago. My bad. So it's 2 videos ago. The middle one's gonna be previous video. And then this one is going to be next video. Alright. So we're just going to want to go back to track motion, and we can just move this over here. We'll make it precise. We'll make these line up in a bit. I actually think I want to scale this one down a bit. Move it over. Actually, maybe just move it over a bit. I kind of think I want to move these down. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do that for all of these. Just a little bit, about there. I think that one's actually good. I might just move it over a bit. Okay, and then for the third one, alright, that seems good. And maybe we can move this one. I just want to make it kind of look symmetrical, if that's the right word for it. It's as best as possible. Alright, that seems good. Now to make sure that these are perfectly lined up, we're gonna go back to track motion, and is it track motion? I think so. On the Y here, we're gonna copy this and paste it into our next video. Just gonna make sure that's perfectly lined up, and same with our previous video, I guess. There we go. So these are perfectly lined up on the Y axis, which is up and down. So now we are going to put our text at the top here, or at the bottom, doesn't matter, but we'll just put our text. So we're going to create a new video track, and back in media generators we're going to choose legacy text. I prefer the legacy text. It's from the old Sony Vegas's. It's just easier to work with than the new text. So default text, or if you want, you know, any of these, doesn't matter. So I'm gonna type in 2 videos ago, and our fonts, I've already decided which font I want. Actually that's the exact font I wanted. And for the size, we can just choose the side by clicking on it and using the scroll wheel. We'll probably have to move it over a bit. So we just open to move it over. We just click on track motion here. We can move it over. Actually, I think it needs to be a bit smaller. I think 28 is good. Actually, I might use 26. No, 28 is good, I think. Now we can exit out of track motion, and then in media generators, or not media generators, back in the text editor, we're gonna go to properties. Actually, no, not properties, effects, and I'm actually gonna draw an outline here, so we kind of get this outline around the text, and I'm just gonna choose color, make color black, and we're gonna turn the feather all the way down so it's not kind of like blurry, and the width I might just make this a bit bigger, just like that. Alright, perfect. So now we're just gonna make a new video track for the second text. Oh wait, we have to make this the same size as the rest. And I'm just going to copy this text so we have all the settings there. And we're gonna paste it as a new copy of the source media. And then go into, to edit the text, you just click on this like film reel here, and we can edit the text. So then this one's going to be previous video. Alright, and I actually might make this one a little bigger. Here, let me just move it. Alright, let's make this yeah, 36 actually. It's pretty nice for that. And I think that's all for this text here. And then finally, for the last text, insert new video track, and we can just paste it since we already have it copied. Create new source copy of the source media, or create new copy of the source media, and then we just move it over to the next video. I want to move that up a bit. That seems good. And we can edit the text to say next video. Alright, and I guess to perfectly line these up, this one seems fine. We're not going to line that up with these two, but to line the two videos ago and the next video together, we just go to track motion here, and on the Y, copy that. And over here, paste that. There we go. So that's good for now. I guess we're just gonna put some stuff at the bottom here. So what I've seen before is people have used, like, you know, they put their Twitter and their Facebook here. Since I don't use any of those, I'm going to just write, I'm just gonna put like a subscribe button and a like button, and I'm just gonna write remember to like and subscribe. So you can really put whatever you want. Like I said, put your social media links on there. So I'm just going to insert a new video track. I'm just going to insert some media here. Yep. I have previously downloaded a subscribe button and a Facebook thumbs up. I'm going to use a Facebook thumbs up since it looks cool instead of a YouTube one. So we're just going to open those, and I'm just going to drag in the subscribe button first, and just going to make that the same size as the rest. And as you see, it's kind of takes up the whole screen, so we're going to go into track motion and just scale it down to whatever size you want. I think that's a little too big. I think that's good. Let's just get the like button in here. Video track, Facebook thumbs up, and make sure when you download your what we call it, subscribe button, whatever pictures you want to put here, make sure that it's transparent. Just Google subscribe button transparent in Google Images, because if it's not transparent, you're gonna have kind of the background around here. You can edit out the background in Photoshop. Just Google how to do that. That's what I did with the like button. It's very simple. Maybe I might make a tutorial on that. I don't know. But just make sure the background's transparent so we don't have any background. And we can just put it in here, and we don't have to take out any backgrounds. We actually can do that in Sony Vegas. Never mind. But anyways, I'm just gonna scale this like button down. Don't know how big I should make it. I think that's good. Actually, I think I might move these down a bit. How are we doing on time? Alright, 14 minutes. Maybe just a little bit. Yeah, there we go. I'll move the like button down. I think that's good. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna make a new video track. I'm actually gonna put like a plus sign here, so it's like subscribe and like the video, and then I'm gonna put some text here. So I'm just going to media generators, default text, and I'm just going to go plus there. I don't know, just small. I might need to move these apart a bit. Yeah. Move these. Move that over. Alright, there we go. I'm actually gonna do this trick again with the y-axis. Wait, get the. Oops, keep clicking on the wrong thing. Okay, subscribe, and on the Y, I'm just gonna copy this again, and then paste it on the like button again, just so it's on the same y-axis. Is that right? I think I did something wrong. Huh, that's weird. Oh, I think I know why. Guess I'll do this manually. It's because I think it's just moving down. Yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but I'm just gonna move that as best as I can. Alright, that seems good. Seems lined up well enough. So now I'm just gonna put some text. Insert video track. Oh, we're gonna line this up. I might, tweak this plus button later on. I'm just roughly doing this. I'm gonna definitely probably tweak this after I'm done the video, since I'm actually gonna use this in my video. So you'll see what this looks like at the end. Later on, I will show you how to put your videos inside these boxes here. So finally, I'm just gonna like that, and I'm just gonna write, remember to like and subscribe. To like and subscribe. Alright. Oh, and exclamation mark. So it's huge right now, so we definitely want to scale this down. And we're going to change the font to Calibri, is what it's called. Calibri, yeah. Alright, and I think I might put like the outline like we have over here. Draw outline, turn feather off, and black. I might change the width. Yep, alright. Is that too much? I think ours is like 90. Okay, that seems good. And track motion. I think I make the text a little bigger. So a little bit. 24. Yeah, seems nice. Alright, so I think this is good for now. You can add whatever you want. You can add maybe more pictures. Pretty much just be creative with your end card. It really doesn't matter. I think this is good. I just like a simple end card. I think this is good for now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and save this. Call this the how to get 1, 2, 3 end card. Alright, guys, so now I'm just going to show you guys how we can put our videos in these boxes here, but before I do that, I forgot to mention one thing with the next video box. Since we don't have our next video made already, we are just going to enter, I'm just going to put, for mine, I'm just going to put like a question mark in the box here. You can really put whatever you want. So I'm just going to insert a new video track, default text, and it's going to where's the question mark? Okay, there's the question mark. And it's going to, actually I think 72 is a good size, so I'm just going to move that in this box here, and I'm going to change the font to Calibri. Actually no, I don't really like that question mark. I don't like the question mark in that font. So I'm just going to make this color. Should we make this? I think I might make this. Should I make this orange? Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this little eyedropper tool and I'm just gonna click on our background here, so it's kind of like the same color as our background, so it kind of makes it look like it's kind of see-through, if that makes any sense. So I'm just gonna do that. I might tweak this a little later, but for now I think it's good. So finally, I'm gonna show you guys how to import your video into the end card. So we put them in these boxes here. Like I said, these boxes are just for reference, so we're actually going to use that right now. So we're just going to import our videos. So my videos are, let's see. So here's my my 2 videos ago. The how to make Windows 8.1 look like Windows XP, and my return video, which was last video, is the return. So now I'm just going to do the previous video first. So I'm just going to make a new video track and a new audio track, and I'm just going to move the audio track to the top here. I'm just going to drag it, and I'm just going to insert my previous video, and you're just going to want to choose a section of your video you want in your end card. So I'm going to put let's see, like right just where my video schedule is. 2 videos a week, 1 day, and a random day of the week. Alright, that should be good. And there we go. Oops, turn the opacity down a bit. There we go. Wait, did I? Yeah. Okay, I accidentally turned the opacity down there. But now that we have our video in here, as you see, it takes up the whole screen. So we're gonna want to go to our black solid where it says previous video, and click on track motion, and you're gonna want to manually, unfortunately we have to do this manually, copy the X where it says X here, copy that. We have to exit out of that. We have to go up to the track motion on our video, and on the X copy that, and then we have to go back into our previous video solid and open track motion on that, copy the Y, and go back up to our video and paste that into the Y on our video, and then same thing, previous video, height, or I mean width, copy that, put it in our video, and then finally the height. Actually, the height does it automatically. And as you can see, our video is where our black solid was, and it's in the right spot, and it's scaled nicely. Oh, actually, one thing we should do is I'm just gonna take the audio out of mine, and where the end card is in our video, we're just gonna put music over it. I think it's better than having the video audio, so I'm just gonna, oops. Actually, you can just right click on the track here and delete track, and it should delete the audio, or you can just hit this button here and it'll mute it. So as you can see, we have our video in the right spot. So I'm just going to do the 2 videos ago just off camera, or I'll do like a time lapse of it. So here we go. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put the 2 videos ago video on our end card, and I think we are done right now and we are good to go. So like I said, I'm actually going to be using this end card for all of my videos. I might tweak it a little bit, but I think for now it's pretty good. And for your end card, like I said, be creative with it, add things that I didn't, and come up with your own ideas. Just don't copy mine. It's kind of just like a basic guide on how to make an end card. But for now, I think that's the end of the tutorial. If you enjoyed, please leave a like or subscribe if you would like, and I'll see you guys later.